A former mill town known in the UK for its large contributions to the textile industry, Bolton is now a rapidly growing area of the UK. Over £1 billion worth of transformations have given the area a complete revamp and a basis for ambitious growth in the coming years. Situated in the northwest of the Greater Manchester region and just 10 miles from Manchester City, the goal is to boost the town centre's role in a bid to boost the overall Greater Manchester economy. This drive for regeneration is largely in part to Bolton Council's vision and their various initiatives to create a basis for growth across 5 strategic sites, with plans for a further 6 sites alongside plans for developments to increase job opportunities. One Heritage has recognised this growing potential in Bolton, and as such we are happy to present Lincoln House, a former commercial building that will soon be converted into a high-spec 88-apartment residential block. Acquired in February 2020, Lincoln House is an ideal location situated just a short 5-minute walk to Bolton train station and the town centre, offering tenants of the property the convenience of all that Bolton town centre has to offer, along with the excellent transport routes leading out towards the Greater Manchester area and beyond. Within the property, each self-contained apartment will comprise of a premium, contemporary designed living space for small families and young professionals that will be designed and built in a manner that will promise both style and longevity. Each apartment will comprise of bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms and living spaces, and for those on the top floor, terraces to provide an open area for tenants to enjoy during those sunnier days. Lincoln House also offers the added perk of 55 parking spaces, along with the secure perimeter fencing and electric gates, so tenants will have the added convenience of parking near to Bolton town centre and major motorway routes. One Heritage are eager to begin works on this exciting new development in an area that is showing consistent signs of growth and is set to grow further as a major player in the Greater Manchester area. The Bolton Town Centre Master Plan is a £1.2 billion project primarily focusing on transforming the retail areas of the town centre into a 2,000-home residential area. Whilst this means the amount of retail space will be reduced, the plans included in this initiative will look to retain popular high street stores along with additions to leisure and catering to facilitate the new influx of residents and to create an overall more residential focused area. These plans project the current population of over 280,000 will exceed to over 300,000 by 2025. The Bolton Master Plan's figures will look to build over 2,000 new homes, over 7,000 new jobs, which in turn looks to bring a £4.6 billion increase in the local economy. This initiative breaks the town centre into key areas of development, with the shopping sector of Crompton Place and the main academic area of Cheadle Square being just 2 of 5 areas looking to enjoy the benefits of this regeneration. The extremely high demand of 1- and 2-bedroom accommodation within the town centre will look to be eased with plans to develop a large number of waterfront housing and townhouses. The arrival of more upmarket food and drink spaces will also be accompanied with the development of a new market square as one of the central hubs to eat, drink and shop in the town. This shift to a more residential town centre will also see the development of transport links to include additional car parking and a new £50 million Bolton transport interchange. Although a lot of emphasis is on the development of the town centre, that's not to say that Bolton isn't an exciting area to look at now. Historically known as a mill town, Bolton is now a town that has several thriving sectors in the area. Although textile still has a big presence in the area, construction and logistics are also notable sectors that are prominent in Bolton, with the likes of Amazon, Lidl and MBDA having large operations out of the area. This economic growth in the area has also been attributed to the university and its over 6,500 students making the town their home. The University of Bolton is expanding and is already a major employer in the area, with new plans for halls of residence in the town centre to accommodate the rising student population. The establishment is also a key part of Bolton Council's overall plan for economic growth. The university's strategic 5-year development scheme is coming towards the end, having started back in 2015 with great success in increasing the establishment's educational assets, rivalling other universities in the northwest area. This in turn is having a positive influence on the area as a whole, bringing increased business to the local area and further augmenting growth. Bolton's close proximity to Manchester and connectivity is something that is attractive to investors and residents alike. Being only 20 minutes from Manchester, an increasingly growing economic powerhouse, means Bolton is an attractive proposition for those looking to commute to the city whilst enjoying Bolton's lower rental and house prices. Its connectivity by road networks is evident by the M6, M60 and M61 motorway networks bordering the town, connecting them to the surrounding Greater Manchester area and beyond. The revamped Bolton Transport Interchange offers residents and visitors to the area a revamped, fresh travel hub in the centre of Bolton. This also sees the arrival of the new Skylink Bridge, connecting the Bolton train station with the interchange and offering improved connectivity between the bus and rail services in the town. For those travelling by air, Bolton is less than a half-an-hour journey from Manchester Airport. This connectivity and strategic location alongside Manchester is a factor Bolton are looking to capitalise on to attract new businesses to the area and draw in new residents. We're excited to see this project come to fruition in January 2022 and become part of an area that is seeing exponential growth.